Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can upload a document for any particular account. So under the account section where accounts are listed, you will see an action bar. Under action bar there is a option to multiple options where the first option is for an attachment. Click on the attachment icon. There click on choose, select the file you want to upload, click on open and then click on upload. So like this, a file or document can be uploaded into the for that particular account. Now to view that document, just click on here, attachment icon again, and you will be able to see the added document. Thank you.